Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to modify the Quick Access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. The Quick Access toolbar contains buttons that execute commands quickly. This is called Quick Access toolbar and by default it resides above the ribbon. However, you can change its position by clicking this downward arrow and this window opens up and you can click on this option show below the ribbon. If I click this option, the quick access toolbar is taken to the position lies below the ribbon. However, I would like to put this back on the default. I want to keep this on the top of the ribbon, so I again click on show above the ribbon and it is taken to above the ribbon position. Now I want to modify the contents of quick access toolbar and want to add buttons for certain command that I use frequently while working in Excel, and that I can do by again clicking on the drop down menu and then coming to the option of more commands. If I click on this button, this window opens up. Here, this panel contains the buttons for commands in the quick access toolbar, and you see by default there are four buttons for executing this for executing save command, undo, redo, and turn on and off. And I want to add another button for executing some commands that I use frequently, and that I want to add from the insert tab. So I choose the insert tab in this region, and then I want to add the button for executing equation command. So I select by clicking on this and then come to the add button and add. So when I click the add button, the button for executing equation command is added to the list of quick access toolbar. Now if I press OK, you see the button for executing equation has been added to the quick access toolbar. So, and if you want to remove this back, come here and highlight by clicking on the button and click on remove button. Now it is removed. And if I press OK, again that button is removed from the quick access toolbar. So this way you can modify the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel and can add buttons for executing commands that you use frequently while working with Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.